Tropical update as of 8 a.m. PST, October 11th. We're looking at one system in the Atlantic, which is 1,200 miles east of the Windward Islands. The development of the system is possible as it moves westward to 15 miles forward before conditions become less stable because of a blower trough. Out of the 10% in the next 40 hours, 20% in the next 5 days. We can show you it. Clearly, it's this system. It actually has a pretty good LSC, but you can always see some shear. It definitely has some model support. Here's the 6Z GFS. Let's go to 24 hours. You definitely see a velocity. 36 hours. Actually, pretty darn good. It wouldn't totally surprise me if it became a short-lived depression based on the models. Let's go to 72. Clearly, as it gets near the windward, you get a lot of shift from that tropospheric trough. Another system called off Africa at 72. And this system is also really interesting. Definitely strong model support for it at 96, 120. So we could actually see maybe a late season tropical cyclone in MDR. It wouldn't totally surprise me. But even that fizzles out. 144. ECMWF. Let's go back to the 72 hours. More or less shows the lunar system approaching the islands. On 20, it doesn't really show much of a eastern length system. Finally, we gotta look at the CMC. It also shows a system in the eastern length. Probably more of a system near Puerto Rico for our central length system. 36, 48, 72. And long term, things could actually get pretty interesting in the Caribbean. We could take a quick look at that. The CMC really doesn't show anything, so we'll go to the GFS, which does show a broad system at 104 hours. And this system could actually be our next tropical cycle. It's tropical cyclone in the long term based on some of the models. But we'll have to see. This is 246, definitely a tropical cyclone. So we're watching it. Right now, I'm going to say the eastern length, the central length system probably has a 30% chance of development. The system behind it has a 10. Now we're going to look at the Eastern Pacific, which still has what's left of Nordberg. Actually looks pretty good right now. Let's take a look at a satellite image of it. Clearly, it's actually redeveloped. It has convection. I'll see. It wouldn't surprise me if it became a tropical depression or a storm again. Here's the IR of it. GEPS shows northwestward. Maybe some intensity models like to straighten out a little bit, and don't be surprised if it becomes a depression again. NHC is showing a 2040. I disagree. I mean, this thing definitely is deserving of a 40 during the next 48 hours and only 5 days, because it gets in the cold water after 48 hours. So that's the way I feel. 96, which I feel has been a depression for the last couple of days because it has a well-defined LC convection. But hey, if there's any shear at all, any displacement, they don't upgrade system to East Pacific, which is sad, but that's the way they are. It's stupid. But GFS 24, 48, 72, and 96. Really, this does show a system, our nerve for having a chance in the 3 to 4 day range. So we'll see. Well, that's your top update for today.